Yeah, so this is a it's right there. It's an E825 GEM, the General Electric motor car. So this is my new project. I'm trying to just get the brakes unfroze right now, because I need to get it on a trailer. So don't mind all the road noise. I'm by a highway. I'm at a dealership. She's stuck. Got this side off. Just gotta choke everything in PB Blaster. Gotta get this in there. And I had to go to Harbor Tool and Freight for, obviously, PB Blaster and an Allen key set, because I only had one Allen key here and it was not doing the job. Alright, so let's see if I can get these unstuck before it gets dark. Hell yeah, brother. One down. I was just about to give up. And the brake works too. Holy shit. Alright, now I guess I will continue time-lapsing while I do the same exact thing. I just stood on it. I just stood on it. I was like, I don't care if it breaks, because it's gonna get removed anyways. I'll do a later video when I get this thing back to my workshop at my house, and I'll go in more in depth, and hopefully I'll be more confident as well. This thing, it has a sunroof. Just walk around it real quick. It has the e-brake. It's pretty rough. This one's for forward and reverse, on off, turf, road, and I don't know what that's for. Lights? Yes, lights, baby. So, turn signals. Got all the stuff in there too. Supposed to be a horn button right there. Alright, back to the time lapse. Hell yeah, I got it fixed. That one spins. Oh, make sure my hand's not in front of the camera. My dirty ass mittens. That one needs a little work, but literally just smacked it with a hammer. I kind of fucked up one of the studs, but that's fine. I'm a happy camper. I'm using the mirror to see myself, because this is a phone. But hey, well, tomorrow I can take it home, I suppose. And we're not home. I can figure that out. I just gotta figure that out tomorrow. Now it can roll. Actually, let me do that. Well, I got a roller. It only took me an hour and a half and a lot of swearing, but I got it. Yeah, over here is the seat, the driver's seat, passenger seat, the back seat, and I got the front fairing, but I may not need that. What? It has a windshield wiper? Wait, that's glass. Holy shit. Alright, we got a roller. It's pretty fucking cool. I haven't even really sat in it. Oh, this is gonna be nice. Except video coming up very shortly about what's going on with this thing. If anybody cares or have any interest. interest in it, in this project. Let's see what you like to see. I want to see big old mud tires. And these might be 4x100, so might be able to put my Civic wheels. Because I have 3 Civics. Or 3 CRXs. I don't got a problem. Alright. This thing's gonna be pretty fun. Yeah, I gotta take it to my shop and pressure wash it really good. Well, I think this will do it for this video. Yeah, bear with me, guys. It's my first time doing anything like this, so I also would like to do more of it. This is fun. It's pretty fun. Am I aiming at? Yeah, I'm aiming at me. All right. See you guys in the next one.